Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about a NEET JEE topic from atomic structure chapter. Atomic structure. So, already the discussion is over about the atomic number, isoelectronic and isodiapers, that and all over. Now we are going to discuss about photoelectric effect. From photoelectric effect we are going to discuss in that content actually. I am not explaining in detail that particular, it is there, it is given in board, understood, photoelectric effect. My dear students, what is photoelectric effect? When the light of suitable frequency falls on a metal surface, it emit radiation. It's called photoelectric effect. Rubidium, cesium, potassium, these are the metals emit electrons when light of suitable frequency falls on it. Correct. At the same time, my dear students, also we are going to study about this particular. Okay, in photoelectric effect, you know that light of suitable frequency, it is mentioned h nu naught, correct? H nu naught, understood? Normal frequency and energy. So, energy is directly proportional to frequency. So, energy is equal to h nu, one packet of energy, then that means bundles of light packets comes, one packet, two packets, like that, three packets of energy it come and falls on metal surface, it emits radiation, correct, no, my dear students? So it is given E is equal to h nu, and my dear students, also it is given, okay, that I explained. One more part is there, kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. This is one more formula, note down, my dear students, another formula. These two formulas we were discussed in photoelectric effect, that we are not going to discuss once again that particular, because already one discussion is over on this particular, correct? Okay, that once again if you want, means I just explained, this is a metal surface, h nu is the frequency is coming, understood? From this one, how much energy? One electron is emitted out using h nu naught threshold frequency, and remaining energy is used as a kinetic energy. That what is kinetic energy means h nu minus h nu naught, understood? H nu minus h nu naught, here I will write h nu minus h nu naught, kinetic energy, that I explained in last class, over. Okay, is important. Okay, next we will discuss about spectrum. In spectrum, what is spectrum? When a white light passes through a prism, it gives 7 different colors with GR, and it is arranged in a one band of these colors is called spectrum. My dear students, you know that absorption spectrum, emission spectrum, correct? So what is absorption spectrum? What is absorption spectrum? Absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. Emission spectrum we studied, my dear students, when a white light passes through a solution contains sodium chloride, what happens? Yellow wavelength are absorbed by the solution, remaining color is transmitted, get transmitted, and it passes through the prism, it gives spectrum, correct? No, remaining color. How we are arranging colors? Okay, this may be violet, or this may be blue, this may be orange, but in the place of yellow color there is a dark lining, remaining all is colored, correct? No, my dear students, dark line. So what is emission spectrum? Emission spectrum is a dark lines on colored background. So this is about emission spectrum. Absorption spectrum, my dear students, in absorption spectrum what happens? When a white light pass through a prism, it gives color, 7 different color. It is called emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. Sorry, my dear students. This is actually what we discussed is absorption spectrum. This is absorption spectrum. My dear, next we are going to study about spectrum. In spectrum, 2 types are there. Spectrum means when white light passes through a prism, it gives 7 different colors. Arranging this color in one pattern is called color bands. It's nothing but a spectrum. 2 types of spectrum is there: absorption spectrum, emission spectrum. In a absorption spectrum, when a white light passes through a sodium chloride solution, few colors are get absorbed by the sodium chloride solution. Remaining color get transmitted. My dear students, what happens means actually, yellow color will get absorbed by the sodium chloride, remaining color will get transferred, and it transferred to the prism and color pattern is arranged. Understood? Here colored pattern, different color, violet, blue, yellow, different colors are there, but which color is absorbed? For example, yellow color is absorbed. At that place only dark lines you can see, dark lines. So dark line on colored background is called absorption spectrum. What is emission spectrum means? When a white light passes through a prism, it gives 7 different colors. Arranging these color bands, it's called emission spectrum. And same time, emission spectrum is always continuous spectrum. Absorption spectrum is a discontinuous spectrum, because here dark lines are there. Correct? No. In emission spectrum, line spectrum also there. A continuous spectrum, sometimes it shows a discontinuous spectrum. For example, some colors emitted like this. So it is actually discontinuous spectrum in some cases. For example, sunlight actually it gives white light, it passes through a prism, it gives 7 different colors. It's nothing but a VIBGYOR. It's continuous spectrum. Example for continuous spectrum. Same time, some other hydrogen gas is heated, and that light is passed through a prism and it gives only few colored bands. For example, violet, blue, these are the color bands. So violet, blue, these are the colored bands appears on dark background. Colored lines appears on dark background. Is called emission spectrum. Emission spectrum, 2 possibilities are there: continuous spectrum or discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous means colored lines on dark background, or some other sunlight passes through this one, it gives continuous spectrum. VIBGYOR is continuous spectrum, understood? And emission spectrum, it gives dark lines on colored background. This is an example for discontinuous spectrum again, understood? These two concepts is studied over. Okay, my dear students, after that we studied about hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum, in that hydrogen spectrum, hydrogen gas is taken in a cathode ray and high voltage is supplied. During that time, it emits radiation, and it's, that emitted radiation passes through prism, and it gives different colors, correct? No, 4 different colors. Okay, and these colors are arranged in a series of lines. Which are the series of lines in hydrogen spectrum, my dear students? Very short and very important. Hydrogen spectrum, in that spectrum, different colors formation, different series of color formation is the series we named, different wavelength is named in different series. Lyman series, Balmer, Vashon, Lyman, Balmer, Vashon, about bracket P-Fon. So here, my dear students, here N1 level is equal to 1, N2 level is equal to next higher energy level 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Here N1 level is equal to 2, next higher energy level is 3, 4, 5 like that. And here N1 level is 3, N2 level is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Here N1 level is 4, N2 level is 5, 6, 7 is. N1 level is 5, N2 level is 6, 7 like that, understood? So these are different series of lines. When the in hydrogen atom contains electrons, it absorbs energy and it jumps to higher energy level, okay. From higher energy level, it is not stable, it will come back to lower energy level by emitting its a radiation, correct? No, my dear students? So if it reaches only, if it come back to any, for example, I will write here, my students, otherwise you will get confused. N1 is equal to 1, here N is equal to 2 energy levels, here N is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, N is equal to 5. My dear students, if the jump from N to, this is actually Lyman series. If any jump reaches, electron emits radiation and come back to N is equal to 1 level, then it is which Lyman series, understood? And Balmer series, if any reaches only N is equal to 2 level, understood? N is equal to 3 level, Paschen series, that I explained in the board class. Please note down this, okay, my dear students? My dear students, one more formula is given actually related to this particular. It's nothing but 1 by inverse. It's nothing but wave number. 1 by lambda is equal to wave number. It gives actually, my dear students, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. For Lyman series, this formula we are writing. Lyman series, my dear students, here 1 square minus n2 means not any higher energy level. Lyman series. Correct? For Balmer, sorry, here RH is there, my dear students. RH Rydberg constant, correct? No. For Balmer is actually 2 square minus N2 means next higher energy level, N2 square, correct? No. This actually. This is okay, it's possible, my dear students, to write all this is given actually. And RH is nothing but Rydberg constant. Value is 10967777 centimeter inverse or 1.096 meter inverse, my dear students. You can write in two way, you can write this one, okay, my dear students, please note down. And one more. First line in any series, my dear students, with the lowest frequency, lowest energy, highest wavelength, This point you note down, my dear students, please note down this point, this is important. First line in any series, lowest frequency, lowest energy, highest wavelength. What do you mean by that? For example, my dear students, here n is equal to 1 level, n is equal to 2 level, n is equal to 3 level, n is equal to 4 level, like this is Lyman, correct? This is Balmer, this is Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, correct? These three lines, I will explain with this. If the jump from n2 means n2 to n1, that means n1 is equal to 1, n2 means 2. That means this is the shortest jump in which series? Lyman series. So shortest jump always highest wavelength. Shortest jump in any series, shortest jump is highest wavelength and lowest energy, lowest frequency. Imagine for Balmer, this is actually energy level. If any particle jump from n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 2, n1 means 2 here, correct? n2 means here 3. This jump is actually shortest jump in Balmer. Shortest jump is 3 to 2, correct? This gives actually highest wavelength, lowest energy, lowest frequency. For Paschen, my dear students, for Paschen, n2 is equal to 4, n1 is equal to 3. 4 to 3, this jump, my dear student, shortest jump, longest wavelength. Remember, shortest jump, longest wavelength, lowest energy, lowest frequency. Remember this point, my dear students. And next one more term is there. Last line in any series, highest frequency, highest energy, next lowest wavelength, in last line in any series. But my dear students, this is n is equal to 1 Lyman, n is equal to 2 Balmer, n is equal to 3 Paschen. Last line means which one, amma? Any last line means infinity line. So any line is considered as a last line, means it is nothing but n2 is nothing but infinity. N2 is infinity to, for example, Lyman series, last line n2 is infinity, n1 is equal to 1. For Balmer series, n2 is infinity, n1 is 2. For Paschen series, n2 is infinity, n1 is 3. So this type of jump is called this is actually last line. This gives last line. So it has highest frequency, highest energy, lowest wavelength. highest jump, lowest wavelength, short jump, longest wavelength. Remember this term, highest jump, shortest wavelength, shortest jump, highest wavelength, vice versa. My dear students, please note two formulas in this one. When the final state is the ground state, n1 is equal to 1, ground state, correct? No, last line, this is first state, ground state, it is called ground state or stationary state, ground state. N2 is equal to n means any higher energy level, it may be n is equal to 2, or n may be equal to 3, or n may be equal to 4, or n is equal to 5. n2 is equal to n. n2 is equal to n means it may be 2, 3. Instead of writing n, I can write 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Understand? Any higher energy level, etc. Okay. How to find number of spectral line produced means the formula is given n into n minus 1 divided by 2. This n is nothing but this one, n2, it may be 2 or 3, you are finding 3 minus 1 divided by 2, 4 and 4 into whole bracket 4 minus 1 divided by 2, you are finding number of spectral line. This I will explain Amma with the problem we are solving, this one not problem, questions. We will solve later, don't worry about that, just note down this point, formula. And when the final state is not ground state, that means it's not, n1 is not equal to 1, that is not 1, some other state, maybe 2 or 3 or some other state, it's not 1. Then how to find number of spectral lines? n2 minus n1 into whole bracket n2 minus n1 plus 1 divided by 2. Just note down these formulas, these two formulas, my dear students. Later we will solve problem on this particular. Understood? At that time you will come to know what is actually. That if n2 is infinity, means last line, infinity, it is called n2 is infinity. The line produced is called limiting line. Limiting line. Note down, my dear student, these points. And very important thing is actually Lyman, which wavelength gives? UV wavelength. Balmer, visible. Correct? No? This is actually visible wavelength. 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Okay. Next, Lyman Balmer, Paschen, IR region. Which region it is? IR region, infrared. Bracket, again IR region, infrared region. And Pfund, again IR region. Note down this region also, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, next is actually about, you know that energy difference in hydrogen spectrum. So, few will jump to higher energy level, few will come back to lower energy level. That energy difference, delta E is given E2 minus E1, my dear students, E2 minus E1. E2 is higher energy level, lower energy level is E1. So, and here only in ionization energy, one more concept is explained. It is actually given in periodicity. It is given the energy required to remove one electron from a neutral gaseous atom is called ionization energy. That is different. But in this one it is given actually. It is the energy absorbed when electron jump from a ground state to infinity. Energy absorbed when electron jump from ground state to infinity. Please note down this formula, my dear students. Here delta E is equal to higher energy level is infinity, E infinity and E1. This is the formula. Just note down this formula. It's not too important, my dear students. Just note down E infinity nothing but ground state to infinity. So ground state is E1. Dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about atomic structure, JEE NEET topic. Okay, my dear students, in this one what we can see means, okay, we already studied about spectrum part. What is spectrum? When white light passes through a prism, it gives 7 different color. It's called spectrum. This is, imagine this is a prism. One white light is passed from sunlight or whatever. White light is passed, and it gives 7 different color. Vibgyor, 7 different colors. So these colors are arranged in a pattern like a bands. It is called spectrum. So there are 2 types of spectrums are there actually, emission and absorption spectrum, my dear students, that you studied, and I explained that part in your board class actually. You just check that video. It is clearly mentioned what is emission, what is absorption spectrum, emission and absorption spectrum. Okay, emission spectrum, my dear students. What is emission spectrum? What is emission spectrum? For example, one white light is passed through a prism. It gives 7 different color. It is actually emission spectrum. Or what? I will give you one more example. So this is a hydrogen gas taken in a tube. Understood? Cathode ray tube or whatever. Understood? What happens when you pass electric current and electric discharge takes place in hydrogen gas atom, and it emits radiation. Different types of wavelength. Radiation of different types of wavelength. So it is an example for emission spectrum. My dear students, in emission spectrum, same time we studied line spectrum. Line spectrum means in emission spectrum what we can see means see emission spectrum, if it is a band spectrum, how it looks actually, it is actually colored lines on dark background, because emission means, for example, hydrogen gas emits 4 different types of wavelength or 5 different types of wavelength. That 5 different types of wavelength, or that wavelength is colored one, that you are getting in a, while arranging this spectrum, you are getting dark background colored lines. For example, this may be yellow, this is bright yellow. Understood? Note down this one, colored lines on dark background is called emission spectrum, my dear student. Emission spectrum also called line spectrum. Line spectrum means this is like one line of color, again dark color, and it is separated by again color, again dark color. Understood? This is actually, it is there actually, line spectrum. Okay, my dear students, what is absorption spectrum? Absorption spectrum means, I already mentioned, when white light is passed through a solution like a sodium chloride solution, what happens? Sodium chloride absorb few wavelength means 2 wavelength it absorbs. One is yellow and light yellow colors, wavelength will be absorbed by sodium chloride. Remaining colors of white light will get transmitted. What you are getting actually, it is all color is there. Here one color, here one color, here one color, but one color which absorbed by sodium chloride, it's yellow. In the place of yellow you can see that dark color. There is no color. Yellow will get absorbed by sodium chloride. So in the place of yellow color you are getting dark color. Remaining all color get transmitted and you are arranging in a pattern. This may be violet, this may be blue or some other colors you are getting. But two wavelengths are absorbed, light yellow and bright yellow. Understood? Bright yellow absorbed, that point you are getting dark background. Even for another yellow color also you are getting dark background. Dark background means dark line. Remaining all is colored one. This is nothing but line spectrum only, my dear students, line spectrum only, or you can call it as a band. Understood? What happens in this one? Color, few wavelengths are absorbed by sodium chloride solution. Remaining color get transmitted and you are arranging remaining color in a pattern. Understood? In the place of absorbed color you are getting a dark color. That is mean dark background, dark lines on colored background. It is called, my dear students, colored background. It is called absorption spectrum. Remember, absorption spectrum. So this is actually, first one is the emission spectrum, colored lines on a dark background. Okay, also we studied, my dear student, for absorption spectrum is over. Next is hydrogen spectrum, my dear students. In that part actually it's a emission spectrum, hydrogen spectrum, emission line spectrum. Understood? Hydrogen spectrum. In this hydrogen spectrum, my dear students, this also we studied in detail in earlier class. Just go through that video once. In this one we are getting 5 different series of lines, because different series is named by different scientists. First one is Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, Piffon series. These are actually here. I already mentioned this part. This is n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, like this. So if the line, see what happens, hydrogen contains atom, it absorbs heat energy and it jumps, means hydrogen contains atom, it contains electron. That electron will absorb heat energy and it jumps to higher energy level. It is highly unstable. It always tend to come back to lower energy level. Some of the electron while coming back, how it come back? By emitting its radiation. While coming back it reaches ground level, n is equal to 1 level. Those reaches n is equal to 1 level is named Lyman series, correct? No? Those while coming back, few electron absorb energy and it reaches to higher energy level. While coming back it reaches only to n is equal to 2 level. At that time complete energy it lost. So it reaches only n is equal to 2. That electron, that series, that means by emitting radiation it reaches to lower energy level. It reaches only n is equal to 2 level, then it is named as a Balmer series, like that. See, electron absorb energy from ground state and it jumps to a higher energy level. While coming back it emits its radiation and it reaches only n is equal to 3 level. That is called Paschen series. Understood? N is equal to 4 level, Brackett series, Piffon, like that. Understood? So here n1 is equal to 1 for Lyman, n2 is equal to next higher energy level, 3, 4, 5, like that, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here Balmer, n1 is equal to 2 because electron reaches only n is equal to 2. n2 means next higher energy level, 3, 4, 5, etc. Paschen series, n1 means 3. Only it reaches to third level. While coming back it emits radiation and reaches to third level. n2 means 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Understood? n1 means for bracket is 4 and n2 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Understood? For Piffon n1 is equal to 5, n2 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Understood? You note down this one, my dear students, hydrogen spectrum. Okay, this is actually point we are studying. Okay, this is actually Lyman series, Balmer series. Lyman series, see, all these three are infrared region. Wavelength comes in a infrared region, and this is actually UV region. Which one? Lyman. And Balmer is visible region. Visible region. This point you note down, my dear students. UV, Lyman, which series it actually? Lyman UV, and it contains UV region wavelength, and Balmer contains visible region wavelength, and all the three contains IR region, infrared region wavelength. This point you note down, my dear students. My dear students, this is actually question given. In a hydrogen spectrum, if electron moves from 7 to 1, 7 to 1, 7 to 1, 7 means n is equal to 7, like this, n is equal to 7, to 1, 7 to 1, 7 to 1 orbit by transition in multi steps, then find out the total number of lines in the spectrum. My dear students, to find total number of lines in the spectrum, one formula is there, my dear students, that is actually total number of lines. N2 minus N1, N2 minus N1 plus 1 divided by 2. This is actually formula, my dear students. In this one, by substituting N2 value is 7, my dear students, 7 minus 1, and here 7 minus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7, okay, divided by 2. Here 7 minus 1, 6, here 6 plus 1, 7, divided by 2, divided by 2. Okay. What's the answer, my dear students? 6 sevens are 42 divided by 2. 21 lines. So this is the formula to find out. So if he asks which are the lines, means okay, this is actually simplest method of finding. Otherwise you have to do the calculation. For example, Lyman series, you have to write like this, Lyman, and Lyman series is N1, N2 minus 1. Balmer series, N2 minus 2. Paschen series, N2 minus 3. Bracket series, N2 minus 4, because fourth level is N1 level, correct? No, N2 level means next higher energy level. Here N2 level is 7, okay. Bracket Pfond, N2 minus 5. 5 means N1 level, 4 means N1 level, here 3 means N1 level, N2 means next higher energy level. Here it is higher energy level in this one, 7, okay. Next one more is there, my dear students, Ampere, okay. That line also you are not studying actually. HUM, Ampere, HUMPHERY, Ampere. That level is N2 minus 6, N2 minus 6. That means the electron jumps to higher energy level and come back to only to 6th level. Then line is formed. A series of lines is formed. Is called Ampere. Understood? So my dear students, here N2 means 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. Here N2 means 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Here N2 means 7 only. Minus 3, 4. N2 minus 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. Next 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. Total number of lines formed, you see, my dear students, in different transaction. Here one line is given, orbit by transaction in multi-steps, multi-step. First it reaches to Lyman, next Balmer, Paschen, bracket, Pfund, like this multi-step transition. So writing this one, calculating is difficult. So you apply this formula n2 minus n1 and again n2 minus n1 plus 1 divided by 2. n2 is higher energy level, 7 minus 1, and n2 minus n1 means 6, 6 plus 1, 6 into 7, 42, 42 divided by 2 is 21 lines. We will check by this method whether we are getting same. 6, 10, 15, 15, 20, 21. Correct. So you are getting 21 lines. By if you are transaction in multi steps, like this also you can calculate. Like this also you can calculate, my dear students. Here 1 represent n1 level. n1 for Lyman is 1. n1 for Balmer is 2. That we explained just before. Understood? Okay. Note down this formula. My dear students, in this one, we already studied this formula, Rydberg formula. It is called Rydberg formula. It is there in your hydrogen spectrum. You are studying the same. Correct? No? Line spectrum, in that one, wave number is equal to inverse of wavelength. Correct? No? If you want to find out wave number or inverse of wavelength, mainly we are using this formula, is equal to R. R is Rydberg constant, my dear students. That value is given 109678 centimeter inverse. Understood? Z means atomic number of that particular atom, my dear students. Atomic number. Okay. 1 by n1 square. n1 square means first energy level, minus 1 by n2 square. That is, you know that, next energy level. 1 by r. If you do 1 by r for this one, 1 by this particular. 1 by r means it gives 0.0000911117, like this value. So I can shortcut, I can write 1 by r is equal to 9.12 into 10 to the power 6. Here I am shifting the decimal. By shifting the decimal, it gives 10 to the power minus 6. Or otherwise I can, 9.12 into 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter, or I can say 912 Armstrong. 912 Armstrong. This is actually Rydberg formula. Note down this one. Using this we will do problems. My dear students, here one problem is given. One sum, calculate the wavelength of first line of Balmer series in hydrogen spectrum. First line in Balmer series. My dear students, this is Lyman, n is equal to 1, Balmer 2, 3. So this is actually Balmer. This is Lyman. So in Balmer series, first line means transition from 3 to 2. 3 to 2. 3 to 2 transition is first line. So in Balmer series, n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3. This transition is actually, it gives first line, my dear students. So Rydberg formula, we are using Rydberg formula, wave number is equal to 1 by lambda. You have to find out, calculate the wavelength. 1 by lambda is equal to r z square 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the formula, my dear students. It's given actually. Okay. Now, for hydrogen, atomic number Z is equal to 1. So here you are substituting Z1. 1 by lambda. See this I will substitute. 1 by lambda. R value I substitute at end. Okay. Z is equal to 1 square, my dear students. 1 by n1 square, 1 by 2 square, my dear students. 1 by n2 square, 1 by 3 square, my dear students. Okay, for this one, 1 by lambda is equal to r1. 1 square is equal to 1 only, my dear students. No need to write again 1. It's 1 only. It's understandable. 4 minus, this is actually 9, my dear students. Correct, no? 9 fours are how much? 36. So they will continue here, my dear students. 1 lambda r 1 r into 1, 1 square is 1, okay. 1 9 minus 4 divided by 36. I just do calculation, see, 9 into 4 36 and 9 minus 4, okay, 9 minus 4. 1 by lambda r into 1 and 9 minus 4 is 5, my dear students, 5 36. No need to write this 1 because r into 1 r into 1 r, okay. Here 1 by lambda is gives actually 5r 36. Here this is actually inverse. 1 by lambda means inverse, correct? No. So if I write lambda, this become see, you have to take reciprocal of this one, reciprocal of this particular. And if you see 1 by lambda is there, when you are writing, for example, here I will write, okay, 1 by lambda is there, here 1 by 2 is there. When you are writing lambda means you have to take reciprocal, you have to reverse this one, means you have to shift 2 by 1 like this, you have to write. If 1 by lambda is there, 1 half is there, 1 by lambda is equal to half is there. So when you are writing here lambda, you have to take the reciprocal and you have to write 2 by 1 like that. Here you have to change, here you have to, while writing lambda, here you have to write 36 by 5r, okay. 36 divided by 5 into 1 by r. I can write like this, my dear students. Is there any problem if I write like this? Lambda is equal to 36 by 5 1 by r. I can write like that also, okay. And you have to substitute here. Lambda is equal to 36 by 5 and into 9.12. What is 1 by r value, my dear students? 1 by r value we calculated. It is given 9.12 into 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. Correct now, my dear students? So I am directly writing 1 by r value here. 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. So calculation part gives 65.66 into 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. 65.66 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter, or you can write, my dear students, 6566 Armstrong. 6566 Armstrong. Okay, this is actually calculation. 10 to the power, not minus 5 here, minus 6, sorry, minus 6. 10 to the power minus 6, not minus 5, minus 6. So the same thing I can write in a Armstrong, 6566. Otherwise you have to write in a centimeter, means it becomes 65.66. okay. My dear students, I know that you are facing most of the time the difficulty to solve this mathematical form, correct? No, I will give you suggestion how to solve in exam without using calculator. You see, by using calculator only you are calculating this 9.12 into multiply. Even for 2 into 2s, you have to calculate using calculator only. Like that is situation is there, but nowadays everything is spoon fed. But this actually simple method is there. Okay, 36 by 5 is there, no? Here just divide this 36 by 5. Okay, it's actually 7. 7s are 35, and here 16. It means 7.3 it comes actually. 7.3. Okay, here 9.12 is there, my dear students. 9.12. Okay, this is 7.3 into 9.12. So multiplying this decimals, it takes too much of time, my dear students. So you calculate like directly 7 into 9. 7 into 9. Okay. So you calculate directly, my dear students. Instead of writing 7.3, you directly you take this one 7 into 9.12. You take as a 9. 9 into 7 is how much, my dear students? Is 63. 63 into 10 to the power minus 6. That means you are getting near value 65. So in exam paper they will give like this 5 values. For example, 65, 55, 6 Armstrong, like this. or 69.56 Armstrong, and 75.56 Armstrong, and 55.56 Armstrong. So you have to find out which one is correct. You are getting nearby value for this one. If you get 63 means nearest value for 65. So this is correct answer. Correct answer. If you get 63, just it is near to 65. Correct value, actual value. Correct? No. So always simplify this particular calculation part. See, I know you are taking much time to solve this one, but the simplest method I taught now, because by calculation, for calculation this purpose, you take this one. 36 by 5 is how much? 7 point something, 7.3 you write, okay. 7.3 is there, this is 9.1 is there. If 7.3 is there means you take it as 7, and 9.1 is there means you take it as a 9, and 7 into 9 is 63. Over, calculation is over. 63 into 10 to the power minus 6. Calculation part is over. Now 63 is near to 65. Over. Your correct answer. So always simplify this calculation part and get the answer. My dear students, one more question is calculate the frequency of last line of the Lyman series in nitrogen spectrum. Last line means N1 is equal to, in Lyman, my dear students, N1 is equal to 1 level, N2 means infinity. From infinity to 1, the jumping is takes place, or coming electron will come back from infinity level to N is last line. It gives last line. Last line. My dear students, which formula I suppose use? Rydberg formula. For Rydberg formula, I know that is actually R into Z square 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Correct now, my dear students? Here, my dear students, 1 by lambda. Okay. 1 by lambda is equal to R. R will substitute later, and Z square is there, my dear students. 1 square it is actually. And 1 by N1 square means 1 square only, and 1 by 1 infinity square. This gives actually, my dear students, 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 square 1. No? R into 1 means 1 R only. So here 1 by 1 square is 1, and 1 by infinity is square is 0. That means 1 minus 0. That means 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1. R into 1 is R. So 1 by lambda is how much, my dear students? It is nothing but R. Okay. We solved till 1 by lambda is equal to R. Okay. Why? 1 by infinity square is 0. Okay. 1 by infinity is 0. And 1 by 1 square is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1. R into 1 is R. Okay. Simple calculation part, don't get confused. Later you don't say, okay, I don't know that mathematical forms, how to convert. These and all simple mathematical form. I am explaining this part actually. Note down this point. 1 by infinity is 0. Wherever the infinity comes, 1 by infinity square is 0 only. Here 1 by 1 square is 1 square is 1 only. 1 by 1 is 1 only. 1. R into 1 is R. Okay. We got 1 by lambda is R. Okay, you have to find out the frequency, my dear students, in this one, frequency. So frequency formula is C by lambda. C by lambda. The same frequency formula I can write C into 1 by lambda. Correct, my dear students? Here 1 by lambda is how much, my dear students? Here 1 by lambda is R. So I can substitute C into R. Is there any problem? No problem, because 1 by lambda is, we got that 1 by lambda is R. So, okay. Frequency is equal to C, I will write in a centimeter. Centimeter second inverse. Okay. Velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter. I am writing centimeter second inverse. Okay. Into R value, my dear students. What is R value? We studied 10967 into okay. This is actually centimeter. Okay, centimeter inverse. Centimeter inverse. Okay, centimeter inverse. So this is the value for centimeter inverse. Suppose if you are writing in centimeter, this is centimeter inverse we are taken. If you are writing in centimeter, 9.12 into 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. So suppose if you are writing in centimeter, the same r value if you are writing in centimeter means it is 9.12 into 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. Suppose if you are writing in centimeter inverse, it is 109678 centimeter inverse. Note down this small changes, centimeter inverse. Here centimeter while writing r value in centimeter is 9.12 into 10 to the power minus 6. If you are writing in centimeter inverse, it is 109678. That already we have given, correct? No? So by solving this one, how much you are getting? Frequency 3.29 into 10 to the power 15 centimeter inverse. Second inverse. Here centimeter inverse get cancelled, here second inverse.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.